Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning from the week of February 25th to March 3rd, and I'm using this beautiful kit from Regina Laughs. This is my first time using a kit from this shop, and I was so excited when I found this shop because I really love the way that she designs her kits. So on this first page, we have the full boxes, and I just think these are so beautiful. I love the images. On this page, we've got like our sidebar stickers, so your weekly tracker, a full box checklist, some headers, printed headers, and then of course your script headers, and then there's some deco up here, so cute. On this page we've got half boxes, some flags, quarter boxes, the weekend banner, and the heart checklist. And I like that she did this style of checklist, one because it's shorter. I tend to, if I do checklists at all, use like a 2 or 3 checklist because I don't use really long ones like the 6 heart checklist. I tend to not use, and I also like that these are kind of freestyle hearts and not that banner style. I think the weekend banner is really beautiful. I love that font. And then we have the bottom washi, which is cut into 2 different strips. And I think this scalloped top strip is so cute. I cannot wait to put this down. And then we've got cut washi at the top here. I'm very excited about using this kit. I think it's so well designed. The paper is matte because, of course, matte is my personal preference when it comes to my planner stickers. And but I think, I'm not sure if she offers a glossy, but it is gorgeous in matte. I can tell you in person, this kit is just so beautiful. And so let's go ahead and get started with putting down the bottom washi. Before I put down the bottom washi, I had to white out the lines at the bottom of the page so they wouldn't show through. And then I am starting with the wider piece of the bottom washi that has the beautiful floral print, and then layering on the scallop bows. And I love that she did this in a scallop design. I think that detail just adds so much to the bottom washi. So pretty. And on the shorter side, the scalloped one is actually as long as the longer side of the page, so I just had to cut that down with my craft knife, which was actually perfect because I was able to use that little piece I cut off in the sidebar. Adding the page flags to cover up the flags that are printed on the page, and then moving on to the date covers. The kit did not come with date covers, so I'm using these from Artbox Stickers, and they are beautiful. They're pink and they match this kit perfectly. And they have rose gold foil on them, which helped me decide what color foil to bring into this layout. I am using some whiteout to white out the dates printed at the top of the page because they were showing through the date covers. So once I get that all whited out, I'm going to put my date covers back down and that page flag and finish adding the rest of the date covers to the page. The background of the quote box is a pretty light color, so I'm going to white out the box in the sidebar before I place that down. And the full box says, "Say yes to new adventures," and I love that font, so pretty. So once I've got that down, I'm going to add a half box from the kit, and this is to the section where I'm going to mark my schoolwork, and then layering on a scallop sticker that says school from the kit, pretty much following the same pattern as the bottom washi is what I'm doing with the sidebar, kind of repeating that element of the box with the overlapped scallop piece. The next section of the sidebar is using the full box checklist cut down to 4 instead of 6, and that's where I'm going to track my Instagram and PR posts. And then the final section in the sidebar, I'm using the Monday through Sunday tracker, and that's where I'll track my meals or dinners for the week. And I separated each of those sections with that printed washi from the kit that was cut to header size, and it is so pretty. I love the detail and the pop of color that it adds to the sidebar. And finishing off that bottom section, I put down another one of those printed headers and then layered the leftover scalloped bow blue washi piece. I felt like the solid flags were a little plain, so I decided to add some of the deco to them. So I'm using the little camera and then taking a cute little rose gold bow from Tasseled Planner and adding that to the page flag at the top. Now I'm going to start scattering my full boxes. And last week I did kind of an inverted V shape, and I decided to do the same thing this week, just going in the opposite direction, the more traditional V shape. So I'm starting on the weekend and putting down the double full box, which has this cute little scene with a bicycle at the forefront. So stunning. And I am putting that towards the top of the page and then working my way down as I go from Sunday to Thursday, and then on Wednesday starting at the bottom again, and I'm going to work my way up as I go working from Wednesday to Monday, and just using some whiteout because the box on Monday has a marble background, which is pretty light, so those lines would have shown through. Underneath the full boxes on Tuesday and Friday, I'm placing a rose gold header from Rose Color Daze. And then I'm going to add the weekend banner, and I'm going to place that so it's layered, kind of overlapping the bottom of the double full box on the weekend and kind of hanging off the bottom of it, and I like that placement. And then on Monday, I'm putting down a half box because that is where I'm going to mark that my homework assignment for the week is due. And the homework due sticker that I'm using is from Letters to Apollo, and I am on her PR team, and so you can save 10% on your orders using my code, which is in the description box. Going back to the sidebar, I decided to add these rose gold script stickers from Rose Color Daze because the script on those scallop pieces were in white on marble background, and so it was really hard to read the words just because it was such a light colored font on top of a light colored background. It was kind of blending together, so I wanted a little more contrast. Going into the top of Monday, I'm placing down a header from Sadie Stickers, the cute bow header, and then adding one of the icons from the kit, and it's a cute little laptop. And I just wanted to make note that I need to get prepped for month end, which is going to be Thursday, and month end is always busy at my job. And then underneath the full box, I'm putting down a little money sack from the kit and making note to review my weekly budget. Then using some whiteout, I'm going to add another half box from the kit because on Monday I started feeling really sick while I was at work, and this is an interesting week for me because I got sick, and so a lot of this plan with me is kind of a mix of pre-planning, which is what I usually do, and memory planning, because there were some days where I just did not get a chance to plan because I felt terrible this week. The little sad face girl that I used to mark feeling sick is from Miss Moss. Underneath there, I'm putting down a scallop from the kit along with a bow sticker from Artbox Stickers, and just marking that I was trying to finish my homework, which was due that night. It was so difficult. I am putting down a little squiggle from Nikki Plans in Rose Color Daze just to kind of fill in that little awkward space. I ended up not actually finishing my homework and sending my teacher a message that night and dropping that class. It was not going to happen, so I just had to let it go. And then on Tuesday, I actually ended up calling off of work, so I'm putting down a half box with one of the marble washi strips. It's kind of a header on top of that half box, and then adding this script from Rose Color Daze that says day off because I called out of work sick. I was feeling really bad on Tuesday. My stomach was hurting, my head was hurting, it was a mess. And so I decided I was just going to take some NyQuil and just like nap it out all day and hopefully feel better. I talked to my mom on Monday, so she knew I wasn't feeling well. So she called me on Tuesday to check on me and see how I was doing. And I'm marking that with a cell phone sticker from Artbox Stickers, and I'm on her PR team, and my 20% discount code is in the description box. Also layered on a little bow from Tasseled Planner on top of that. And then I'm using a half box from the kit to note that I had contacted my academic advisor and asked to take an extended leave. March and April are going to be insanely busy months for me, and so there was just so much going on. I realized that I really did need to take a break. I was going to try to push through it and just keep going with school, but it was too much for me. Going to flip my planner upside down so that I can place this quarter box down straight, and I am using one of the little notched corner boxes from the kit to mark my midweek post, which is so funny because I knew even when I was putting this down that I didn't do my midweek post on Wednesday, because I think I'm putting this down on like Thursday or Friday, but out of habit, because usually my Wednesdays start with a midweek post, I put that there. And then I'm using a washi strip from the kit and adding a cute little circle icon with this clipboard on it. And I just wanted to note that I did go back to work because there were some things that I needed to get done, and I did get them done, which I'm really glad about. And then right above the full box, I'm putting down a half box and adding a clapboard icon from Tasseled Planner, and I wanted to mark that I did get some filming and editing done on this plan with me. And then just above that, I'm putting down a little planner icon sticker from the kit because I wanted to note that I did get caught up on my planning for the week, because it's very unusual for me to get to like the middle of the week and my planner to be as empty as it was. Above that, I'm putting down a half box and making note that I did follow up with my academic advisor just to make sure I had gotten all of the information to her and filled out all the paperwork so that I could take my leave. And then underneath there, I'm putting down another one of those bow headers from Sadie Stickers. Decided to add a little foil to the full boxes, and so I'm adding a bow to the hot air balloon on Tuesday, and then on Monday I'm adding these little stars to the coffee cup and the sunglasses, and I thought it would look like kind of a reflection of the sun bouncing off of the lens and off of the cup, and I thought that was really cute. On Thursday, I'm starting by putting down a half box and making note that it was month end at work. I do take my planner with me to work, and so if there are things that happen throughout the week that are kind of out of the norm or things I need to focus on, I'll write them down in my planner so that I can make note of it. Other than that, a lot of things are pretty standard and typical for my workday, and I don't need to write them down. Underneath there, I've placed some stickers from the kit, that little sticker icon, and then I'm adding this treat yourself script from a Happy Planner sticker books, and it's from the Planner Basics mini sticker book. And I just wanted to make note that Rose Color Days was having her anniversary sale that day. Thursday nights are usually when I start planning for the next week, so I put down a planning flat lay from Taylor and Tucker. And then above that, I'm going to put down an icon from Planning Lids, and it's a cute little car icon. And we were planning to go car shopping, which did not happen because I called the nurse because I still was not feeling well, and she recommended that I go to urgent care after work. So car shopping got moved to Friday. On Friday, I am putting down a half scalloped box from Pandabird Design, and then adding a Hello March sticker from Rose Color Days because it is the 1st of March. And then right underneath that, I wanted to mark that I was making an announcement on my Instagram of a planner challenge that I created, and got a couple of my planner friends to join in with me, which was so exciting. Amanda from My Life Stuck on Paper, Lauren from Plan Most Plan, and Viv Loves to Plan, and I are all inviting you guys to join us in this mixed metal planner challenge. So if you're on Instagram, definitely check that out. I added a little bow sticker from Nikki and Rose Color Days, and then underneath where I've got that written, I'm using some whiteout, and I'm going to add another piece of the cut washi from the kit. So here's where you see me marking that I did go to urgent care on Thursdays per the advice nurse that I spoke with on the phone that day. She told me you should probably go to urgent care, and the doctor at urgent care told me I was overly stressed and it was causing me severe stomach pain. And yeah, so I'm actually really glad that I dropped the class that I was in this week, because I've got a lot of change happening in a short amount of time, and some of it's personal, won't end up in my planner, and some of it you guys will see. But yeah, definitely needed to take some time. On Friday, I am marking that it was Employee Appreciation Day at my job. And in my department, our appreciation gift from our manager was that everyone in our department can take a half day off in the month of March. I'll just have to choose and let her know which day we want to take, which was really nice. I'm very much looking forward to it. And then underneath there, I'm using a circle icon with a TV from the kit and a binge watch sticker from Heather and Plans, and making note that my husband and I binge watched Shark Tank on Friday night. Adding a deco piece to the page flag on this side, and I'm using a little hand with the coffee cup, and I didn't need the whole thing, so I kind of cut it in half. And then Saturday morning, I'm putting down some of the deco from the kits along with this sleep in sticker, and I decided to add a little bow from Tasseled Planner to the bed sheets. Now adding some foil bows to the full boxes on this page. I'm adding a little bow to that purse, and then adding a little one of those stars to the camera to kind of look like a flash, and then adding a bow to the back of the little girl's dress. So cute. Oh, and then on the bicycle wheel, I also added another one of those stars, again trying to make it look like the sun's kind of like bouncing off of the metal on the bike. Since I didn't have to do homework on Saturday, I had kind of a chill day, so I got a chance to organize my planner desk and my cart, and so I used a little planner cart sticker from GP Sticker Studio, and then I am whiting out the lines underneath there and adding a quarter box from the kit, along with one of those film clapper icon stickers from Tasseled Planner, and just making note that I wanted to film and upload a haul video. And then underneath there, I'm using this little planning cat sticker from GP Sticker Studio to mark that I finished up planning this plan with me so that I could get it ready to be posted live on Sunday. And then underneath there, I'm using a little washi strip to separate that section and adding a camera from Artbox Stickers and making note to finish my editing and the voiceover for this plan with me. Decided to start my Sunday morning with a workout, so I'm putting down the bow header from Sadie Stickers and adding these cute little weights from Artbox Stickers. And underneath the double full box, I'm going to use a quarter box from the kit and add a YouTube script and icon sticker from Artbox Stickers. And just note that I want to get this plan with me video posted. And then I am whiting out the lines, adding a marble washi strip from the kit and layering on this cute little square box from GP Sticker Studio along with her lazy day couch icon. And I'm going to spend Sunday just resting and recovering. And then putting down some of the pink washi strips from the kit. I have natural hair, and so Sunday is going to be my wash day because I've got to get these curls under control. And then putting down a little movie icon from QT Planner Co. to mark that it will be movie night, just chilling watching movies with the hubs to finish up my Sunday. And that completes my spread for this week. I had so much fun using this kit, and I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Made it to the end of the video, and you know what that means. It is sneak peek time. For next week, I'll be planning from March 4th to the 10th, and I'm using this kit from GP Sticker Studio. It is called Luxe Life, and I am so excited to use this kit. I love all of the neutral tones, and I think this is kind of a perfect anytime kit. And it is so chic and sophisticated, so I'm really looking forward to doing something fun with this next week. The video for this plan with me will go up on the 10th, so make sure you come back next Sunday to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.